In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for real estate sales. We'll be building a simple real estate CRM inside Monday.com so you can organize leads, track listings, manage clients, and monitor transactions in one place. Start by logging into your Monday.com account. If you already have an existing workspace, that's fine, but for this example, we'll create a dedicated workspace specifically for real estate sales. Go to your CRM area and click the three-dot menu beside the workspace section. From there, choose to add a new workspace. This gives you a clean structure where all of your real estate boards and dashboards can live together. Rename the workspace to Real Estate Sales, then click to add the workspace. When prompted, choose to start from blank, since we'll be creating the boards manually to fit a real estate workflow. Now add your first board and name it Real Estate Leads. Use Monday.com's AI feature to generate the right columns for this board. Include lead name, phone, email, property interest, property type, budget, lead source, agent, stage, next follow-up, priority, and notes. Also make sure the stage field includes new lead, contacted, qualified, property tour scheduled, offer submitted, negotiation, under contract, closed won, and closed lost. These fields are important because they help you track every prospect from first contact all the way to the final outcome. Next, click the plus icon to add another board, choose New Board, and create one called Available Properties. Again, use the AI prompt to add property name, address, city, property type, bedrooms, bathrooms, price, square feet, status, assigned agent, MLS number, listing date, and photos. For property status, include available, reserved, under contract, sold, and off-market. This board becomes your listing inventory, making it easier to match buyers with active properties and keep statuses accurate. After that, add another new board called Clients Board. Include client name, phone, email, address, assigned agent, active deals, preferred location, budget, and notes. Connect this board to your leads and properties boards so your client information stays linked to the rest of your sales process. Then create one more board called Transactions using the AI prompt. Include deal name, buyer, property, sales agent, offer price, closing date, earnest money, commission, and stage. This board helps you monitor each deal and keeps the financial and closing details easy to review. Now add a dashboard, choose Dashboard, rename it Real Estate Sales Dashboard, and create it. Connect the transactions, clients, available properties, and real estate leads boards, then click Done. Add a battery widget for quick visual progress tracking, then add a chart widget and rename it Total Leads. If needed, apply filters based on your workflow. Add one more widget, go to More Widgets, and select Calendar to track follow-ups, listing dates, and important deadlines. Once everything is set up, you can also build workflows, create reports, or use the mobile app so agents can update lead status, add notes after showings, upload property photos, call clients, receive reminders, and mark tasks complete while in the field. That's the full process for using Monday.com for real estate sales, from setting up the workspace to building boards and a dashboard that ties everything together. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.